What is going on, everybody? I am back with another video. Yay! Let me just shoot up my fireworks. Yeah, oh no. Okay, good. A little blast. Oops, ow. Okay, anyway. We started off with a blast. And in today's video, we're going to be doing the part 2 of our house tour. Today, we are joined again by everyone's very favorite and very, very, very sleepy. Yes, we're going to be joined by Lavender. Let me just volume that down a bit since, I wonder where she's sleeping today. She normally likes to sleep and, guest room. Oh my god. Lavender, what have you done to the guest room? This is not your room. Clean up everything right now. You clean up everything now. Now. Let's shoot up some fireworks. Now! That would teach her Lavender. You have to get up and clean up all the lavenders, okay, Lavender? Is that clear? Okay, you start cleaning up the lavenders. Oh my god, look at that, she's actually cleaning it up. This is kind of funny because she's actually cleaning up herself because her name is Lavender. I guess it's kind of funny. Let me just pick up the pots for you. Oh my god, yeah, she has to learn a bit more Minecraft controls. And you're gonna clean up this too. Yeah, okay, she's cleaning up that. Good on you. And then she's going back to sleep. Okay, well let's clean up the rest of this. Oh my god, and we'll just dump it. She has a lot of lavender. Of course she loves lavender, of course. Her name is literally Lavender. I want to get rid of this stuff and I'm going to head it all to Lavender because I don't want to hold any of these flowers too girly for me. I'm not a girl. Okay, here we go. Here you go, Lavender. Here's all your flowers / rubbish. Totally not rubbish. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah, sorry, I didn't mean to call your lavenders rubbish. Oh, you referring to yourself? Oh, so I'm very sorry. Oh, okay. I think I'll just leave you in there. Are you gonna join us for the video today, or are you just gonna sleep in bed? You gonna sleep in bed? Okay, yeah, she's just gonna sleep in bed today. Anyway, last time we left off at well, first of all, we're gonna show you this area right over here, and this is the fireworks show. And Lavender can actually end the video by doing the fireworks show. First of all, I'm going to show you my vote, and the vote is over here. I just missed it. So the vote, Lavender cannot come in. Sion's vote, and it has all my precious jewels in it. Okay, we left off at the only thing that we missed out for the episode is the no, let me go this way. So all I needed to do for this episode is actually show you the underwater base, because I didn't show you that. But I showed you pretty much most of it, but I haven't showed you every single piece of it. And and I must show you every single piece of it because that is how a professional does it. So once you go through here, we have here's where the Ender Dragon egg ended up. And okay, there was a painting here. I don't know what happened to it. And then we have a so this is where all of the boats are stored, and yeah, so it's quite cool. It's like a little spy escape pod. You just walk through here, and yeah, so that's pretty cool. I mean, who doesn't want to escape when they want? I want fun. Do you want me to teleport to you? Do you want me to teleport you to me, Lavender? Okay, well, let's teleport her. I think she can be a good demonstration for getting in the boat and actually seeing how this works. Whoa, what, Lavender, are you okay? Where's she gone? Okay, that was a great glitch, guys. That was amazing. That was a cool glitch, actually. Let's stand back a bit. Oh my god, where am I? Oh my god. Okay. Okay. You get inside the boat right there, Lavender, and ball inside there. Click on it, and then I want you to go full speed ahead. There we go. Actually, I might actually get inside here. Can I get inside? Is it possible? Oh yes, I can get inside. Okay, off you go, Lavender. Very, very crazy way to enter. Off we go, and looks like we're drowning. Okay, come on. Lavender, we can do this. Come on. Yay, we made it up. And then, yeah, well, you have to just move up. Oh no, she's drowning again. Okay, come on. Okay, come on. Good job. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Well, you go back under the water now. Let's go. Okay, let's see, how it's going. I think whereabouts is she going? I really don't know how she's looking. Where even is she? I don't see her anywhere. Is she behind us or something? Oh, there she is. Here we go. Come on. Yeah, you made it. Okay, let's go around the Max. And then when Lavender exits, there's actually a pressure plate. What actually says that? So Lavender, if you don't mind, just going over the pressure plate. Yeah, as you can see, it just automatically does like that thing. But also the time machine, we saw another video. But for today's video, we are going to be using our escape pods. The escape pods is, for example, that I'm sleeping in the middle of the night. Lavender, you can come to sleep too. I know you love to sleep. Here we go. And then, in the middle of the night, oh my god, in the middle of the night, this happens. Ow, okay, that's payback from last episode. So what you have to do is actually get out of the bed. Okay, so Lavender, you have to, so there's an escape pod down that end, and then, so you go down that end, and I'll go down this end. So I'll meet you down there, okay? Okay, meet you down there. Okay, so what we're both supposed to be doing. Okay, so hopefully she knows how to. Okay, so we have a minecart over here already. Okay, so I want you to get inside the. You can go inside the minecart first. You want to just go backwards a bit. You want to turn around to me, and then you're going to roll backwards, and then I'll click the bottom. Can you click it? Yeah, there she goes. Yeah, okay. Can you get rid of the minecart once you're there? Okay, I think she got rid of it. Okay, now I guess it's my turn. Let me just click this, and also there's another emergency button. There we go, and then we could just start to rumble. Let's go. Hopefully Lavender is waiting for me at the end. It's a bit glitchy. Oh, here we are. To the top of it. Okay, Lavender is waiting for me at the top. I need to press the button, Lavender, so I need you to. Yeah, okay. Well, can't click the button. Yeah, okay, Lavender got trapped. Oh no, she's going back down. Okay, I think, if you want to, okay, there she goes. Okay, here she is. She's struggling to get out. Don't break it, I want you to click the bottom. Yeah, she did it. Oh no, she fell in the water. Okay, well, we're going to end with fireworks, so Lavender, you can go ahead and, yeah, you can turn on the fireworks while I sit down here. So the mechanism for the fireworks is really easy. And also she can actually go up the ladder. So let's actually, Lavender, you glitched out again? I think she's glitched out again. She always glitches out somehow. We don't know the problem yet. We'll have to find a way how she actually glitches out. Okay, there you go. Okay, I'm gonna find a pretty, okay, Lavender has joined again. Gosh, the tablet's fast. Oh, sorry, iPad. Okay, so let's get a pretty good view for the fireworks. And Lavender, I want you to can you see me? Yep. Okay, I want you to go into my house, which should be over there. Okay, so that's okay. Go that direction, and then enter. You know the way to my house, don't you? And then yeah, you go through there, and then you just go to the back door at the very back, and then you should find a button there, and you can press the button whenever you want it to start. Come on, you can do this. Okay, you can press the button whenever you want it to start, but I want to find a spot first. This seems to be a pretty good spot to see some fireworks. So is everything activated? Okay, you can set up all the things if you want to. We read a little practice round before this, remember? Okay, are you ready? Okay, you can pull the lever button, press the button whenever you want. Dun da da da, da 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 da. Yeah, look how brilliant it looks. It looks amazing. Wow, it looks just brilliant. Lavender can actually have a look, and I think she... Oh, Lavender was struck by lightning. Oh no, she died. She would have respawned somewhere. Wow, look at the fireworks. I think I want to go down here. It might be a bit better. Yeah, that's better. It's really laggy, so I'm just gonna look just like right here. Look how beautiful it looks. Lavender, you can enjoy it too. I don't mind. Yeah, so she should be coming up. So wow, look at those. You can see the lightning bolts, and you can see the fireworks and everything. They're pretty cool actually. I set it up the other day. So yeah, I don't know where that is. Should be able to look at it soon. Wow, look at it. I honestly didn't think it would be so good actually. I actually like it quite a lot. Oh, and there's Lavender, I think. She's enjoying it too. So yeah, I guess we're gonna end the video pretty soon since we've pretty much seen the fireworks. The fireworks is actually really cool, and I really enjoy it. Hello, Lavender. Hi, Lavender. Hello? You there? You there? I think she's frozen. I think she can't. She's not operate. Okay, let's put her back in operate. I'm gonna show you how it actually works. Lavender seems to be just sitting there doing nothing. Oh, I didn't make it. Okay, I don't know. Okay, I'm trapped. I'm kind of trapped right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, so she definitely died. She died because of the lightning, didn't she? Let's just run through the lightning like a boss. Yeah, we did it. And then, oh dear, I just stopped it. I just stopped it. Okay, I just stopped the fireworks. Hopefully, I think Lavender's crashed. I don't really fancy know if she's crashed or not. Maybe she's crashed. Oh yes, she's crashed. We're gonna end the video with her. Last time we didn't end the video with her, so she wanted to be in the video at the end, so she can come back. We'll just wait for her to come back, and then I'll be in my bedroom. She'll probably have a nap when she goes to sleep, as usual. Lavender joined the game. Yeah, we're back. we're back on to the beautiful house. I wonder, maybe I should teleport Lavender. Here she is. Okay, Lavender wants to sit down on the couch. Actually, I know, she's heading for the bed. She is heading for the bed. Okay, well, we're gonna end the video like this, as she always likes to sleep. I don't know why. She always just loves sleeping naturally. It's really weird how she likes to sleep. I guess we're gonna end the video right here, and I'll see you all. Okay, I'm gonna take the thumbnail right here. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and without further ado say, we're gonna wrap it up for today. I'll see you later, guys. Okay, bye. Oh, she spelt bye wrong. Oh dear. Oh, well, she doesn't know spelling. Oh no, there we go. Bye, guys.